One of the powerful features of Starboard is the way it calculates freight costs. First, your tools are populated with layers of reference data that represent tariffs from each origin and destination. Every time I make a connection between two nodes, I can assess freight rates when they match. I need to do a number of things to get this data correct. 1. For each product, I need to set the size of shipments for each mode. 2. For each mode, I will need to calibrate them if I know my current mode and lane costs. I start by opening my scenario selector. See this button called Configuration? I open that and get a panel of options. I'm going to open the Products panel. This model has two products, called Widgets and Wudgets. They have different transportation parameters. If I change the density class, I'm affecting the LTL freight costs. If I change the units per order, I am adjusting the size of shipments made to customers. If the units per order goes down, costs for LTL and parcel deliveries go up. I can also set how many units fit onto each truck. See if I decrease the units per truck, the costs of FTL go up. Same thing for cost per container. If I have intermodal or ocean freight, I can calibrate those costs. You can see I have used my multi-product feature to calibrate my transportation costs into my business. Let's go to the next tab, Transportation. The actual costs for any given model may vary depending on quality of carrier or the nature of the product. Each mode has a calibration factor here that I can use to move our tariff up or down. Let's say I know that my baseline actual cost for truckload was $9.5 million, but you see here in the model, the unadjusted reference data says it is $9 million. I can adjust the rates up by 5.55% to reflect the fact that our business is buying more premium transportation than our tariff. When you go to a lane now, all these factors will be figured into the formula for cost. Reference tariff is multiplied by the discount factor and modified by density class and units per mode.